So hello guys, I'm here in Ace Medical Hospital. I did the X-ray, so I got the X-ray result. Now I'm here in 7th floor. I'm going to the orthopedic doctor, which is he's going to read the X-ray result, and I'm sad to say that I saw on myself, on my own eyes, that I have slight fracture. And I'm not sure yet, but let's wait for the doctor's reading, the doctor's interpret. Oh, di ba? Meron akong ano dito. So, mo to guys, tawa-tawa lang tani guys, pero nakulbaan na gyud yung taon ko 1/4, 2/4 na sa panay diha. So, mauro to guys. Murag na gyud kaganapan sa kong kinabuhi nga mausap siya. So, update ta guys. Then mo maghimo lagi ko complete nga video from the beginning to the end. Oh, maorta kay sa baba.